Austria boasts a very, very strong economy with a diverse job market. Key sectors can include technology, healthcare, engineering, and finance. The country has also a very high standard of living, efficient work culture, and excellent work balance. This makes it an attractive job destination for foreign workers. People all over the world troop to Austria to look for job in Austria. However, navigating the job market and securing visa sponsorship can be very challenging without the right information. Sit back as I will explain to you top websites where you can find job in Austria. These websites, some I have made use of some of these websites, and some I have found through research, and some I have known them over the time, but I have not made use of them. So sit back as you enjoy it. I will explain it step by step. The first website we will work on is Work in Austria. They have 180 companies who are recruiting and ready to employ workers whose competencies match their job specification, with over 881 job vacancies which is open. Then, who is Work in Austria? This platform is tailored for international talent and offers a wide range of job listings, especially in high demand fields like ICT and engineering. You can filter job offers by language, which is helpful for non-German speakers. Then we create an account with these people to enable us save our CV. So you go to that, you can see register as, username, email, password, confirm password, click on consent and register. When you register, then we go back to jobs. Then in these jobs, it will allow us to find jobs in our locations. So I key in manager. You can key in any post you're looking for. You can see several managerial positions there. I click in human resources manager. I put Innsbruck, which is the city I'm living in. You're free to put any city you intend to live in or you are living in. Then you click advanced search. Advanced search is going to bring jobs in that location. From here, we have 12 jobs in this location. They have different positions. You look through and see if there's anyone that match your competencies. If you're not ready to apply, you click the star button there. It's going to save it to that profile you've clicked or you've registered. But if you're ready to apply, you open it. When you open it, it will open another place. You can see apply directly. When you look at this, it is in German. You can go to language, click any language of your preference. I clicked English. Then the job opened in English. It is electrical engineer. You can see blah, blah, blah. Then you come back to your task. That is what you're supposed to, your competencies, what you're supposed to do. This is your profile. When you come down, you can see this job is 4,590. That is what it pays, gross. Gross salary is 4,590. This is their email. Their phone number is there. If you have any question in regards to this job, you can send them an email. If you don't, and it matches your competencies, you apply. The second website is European Employment Service. Find a job in Europe. Whether you are an international employer, skilled worker, you are free to find a job here. You can see down, set jobs by countries, location. You can see Austria there, Belgium, any country you're interested to set job in, you click it and open. We are interested in Austria. Now we are going to register with this website again. It will enable us to find job. We drop our CV, create our profile. You can see job seeker. You can see it open, register is for free. You are not being charged for anything. When you open it, I don't want to register because I don't need it. When you click, it will open, you register. Just like the same formula we use in the former one. There you drop your CV, you can see my CV, then you start searching for job. Then you go back to Austria location, which is where you're interested. Click, the jobs in that location will open. You can also search through, you key in the city where you are or you're interested to be. You can see all the jobs in Austria, they are coming out. Anyone you're interested in, you click on it and read the profile. If it matches your competencies, you go ahead and apply. As you can see, this is the job. Okay, installation of industrial machinery and equipment. If you're in this field, you go ahead and apply. The employers are there. They come there to look for applicants whose competencies matches their qualification. The next website, which is the third one, is Indeed. I've used this website a lot in the past. You can see job vacancies there. It is the same thing. You can create a profile with them. Click on notification. Anytime they have job that matches your CV, they will notify you. Employers are there also. They come there to look for applicants whose competencies matches what they're looking for. That is their requirements. You can say assistant managing director. Any job that you think that fits with your competencies, you open it and read it. When you read it, if it matches what the employer is looking for, you click and apply. Take your time and go through the job, all the open vacancies, and read them. This is the only option. There's no link anywhere that will link you direct to an employer that will employ you. This is how it is been done. And this is the process I've used in the past to get all the jobs that I've had here in Austria. Anyone that matches your specification or competencies, fall into that, you click on it and apply. The next, which is the fourth one, is LinkedIn. This is my profile. You create a profile with them, drop your CV, do a short description of your competencies. There are top employers there. They are also looking for applicants whose competencies match their qualification. And through your CV, they will filter jobs that matches your CV and send you jobs each time there is opening and vacancies in that area. This is my profile. You can also set job by keywords. Yes, you can see this is what they picked for me. And the last one is Stepstone. I've also used this website in the past. You can see job opening. You can go ahead and also create a profile with this website. The good thing is when they have vacancies, they will inform you. You can see register. If you register, then, but if you have already registered, you log in. You can see create your CV. This creation of CV is where the employers come. You can see for employers, they come to look for applicants whose competencies matches their requirements. When they have job vacancies that matches your qualification, they send you email. The first one, you can see customer service manager, refrigeration system. If it matches your profile, you click on it and open it. You take your time to read and go through all the openings and see which one that matches your competencies. There are a lot of jobs there, a lot. Social worker for the counseling of family. Anyone that matches your competencies, you open it, take your time to read it. If you have questions for the employer, you send them email. As you can see, they always have their email there. They always have their phone number. This is your profile. When you create your profile, it will show. Then these are all the jobs in English, in German, and blah, 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 blah down. Full-time, part-time, anyone you're looking for, you click and start searching. Yes, this is how I have done my. Finding a genuine job offer is crucial, but it is also very important to know how to identify real opportunities when you see one. Here are some tips that will help you. The first tip that I will share with you is check the company's website. Most of the genuine companies have professional websites with detailed information about their services, history, and team. There you will find number, location, almost basically everything you need to know. You will see it at the company's website. Then the second tip is use reputable job search engines. I will suggest that you stick to well-known portals like Indeed, like Stepstone, like Work in Austria, and so many more that I have not mentioned here to avoid scam. The third tip that I will share with you is please read job descriptions very carefully. Very important. Genuine postings are clear and professionals, detailing everything you need to know like description and qualification. Nobody or no company in Austria will tell you to pay them to recruit you. So you have to be very careful about that, except visa processing fee. Then the fourth tip that I will share with you is research the company very, very well. Look up the company's social media profile, online reviews, and articles to verify its legitimacy. It is very important. Sometimes when I check any company, if I'm not sure of it, I'll go to Google. Yes, I go there to search, know the authenticity of the company. So you have to be very careful. Any company that invite you for an interview or send you a job offer, verify and make research on the company. Then the fifth tip is beware of unrealistic offers. When a job offer seems too good to be true, if it looks too good to be real, maybe it might be a scam. Be very cautious of high salaries, free accommodations, and every other unrealistic benefits. Be very careful from these things that I mentioned. These scammers are everywhere. Then the sixth tip is be cautious of upfront fees. Genuine companies will not ask you to pay them, okay, to employ you. They can only ask you maybe for visa processing fees. No company in Austria will tell you to pay them to employ you. No. The only fee you can be able to pay or they will ask you is when you're processing your visa. So be aware of all these things that I mentioned. If you take note of them while you're looking for this job, then you're good to go. I want you guys to know that finding a job in Austria isn't about having one specific employer or job that guarantees success. Instead, it is important to be ready to explore various job portals. Very, very important. This approach will help you stand out and increase your chances of landing your dream job. Many industries in Austria are currently hiring foreign workers and visa sponsorship. This industry include the first one, technology. Companies like IBM Austria and Microsoft Austria are often in need of skilled tech professionals. You can check them out through their website or use any of the job recruiting portals. The second is healthcare. There is a high demand of healthcare workers, including doctors, nurses, and medical technicians. Use any job recruiting portals to check vacancies available. The third is engineering. Engineering firms like AVL List, GmbH, and Andres AG, they frequently look for foreign talents to employ. Use their website or any job recruiting portals and check if there is any job vacancies. The fourth is finance. Banks like Raiffeisen International Bank and Este Group offer different opportunity for finance professionals. Check their website and use any of their job portals to check if there's vacancies. The fifth is other employers like Red Bull, Brolis. They also provide visa sponsorship. You can check them through their website or use any of the job recruiting portals that I've mentioned before, or even the ones you've known before now. Finding a job and securing visa sponsorship in Austria can be a rewarding journey if you know where to look and how to apply. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and resources and to kickstart your journey search. Please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides on working and living abroad. If you have any question in regards to what I have said in this video, please drop it on the comment section. I hope you find your dream job. Wishing you all the best and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.